Sosna Inc. would like to take you through a journey on what the entire renovation process entails. Everything begins with a phone call to learn if we are a good fit for each other. If we are, then we meet at your home to learn more about each other. We review your ideas, wishes, and investment amount that you are comfortable with. At this meeting, we share a preliminary budget for what can be achieved within the amount you are willing to invest in your renovation. We go over the estimate, scope, and design agreement. The goal of the design stage is to find an ideal match between your investment amount and what you wish to achieve with the new vision you have for your home. Every detail, material, and fixture is carefully selected to prevent unwanted surprises during construction that may affect the design or budget. Our construction team conducts a thorough house inspection. Detailed drawings and a comprehensive scope of work are prepared during this stage. From the comfort of your home, you can review and authorize the detailed proposal with an accurate fixed price quotation, renovation agreement, and construction and payment schedules. All our clients have the opportunity to meet our construction team before the renovation begins. A checklist of policies, communication rules, and logistical details are discussed in detail with our project manager. Scope of work is meticulously reviewed and discussed. Final details are fine-tuned, and your questions or concerns are addressed. With pride and attention to detail, our skilled team completes the work to the highest standards. Prior to construction, we carefully protect your property from dust or accidental damage. You will be assigned a dedicated site supervisor who is solely focused on your project until it is complete. We will offer regular progress update meetings and access to our project management system where you will see your project schedule, daily logs from your construction team, and daily progress photos. A pre-delivery inspection is scheduled before construction is completed to ensure the workmanship meets your expectations and your vision is realized. Once our work is completed, your Sosna team meets with you in your new space so we can see our work through your eyes and celebrate with you. We give you all the information about your project, manuals, and maintenance tips in one big binder for easy reference in the future. This also officially marks the beginning of our warranty period and your addition to the Sosna family. Although our warranty is 2 years, we considered you a client for life. We will help you with any project or service in the future, no matter how big or how small, and always with preference in our schedule. Sosna, a renovator you can count on.